Hey you guys, welcome to another episode of Film School 101 from a Kid. I'm Harley J, your host, and today we're talking about actually lighting, because if you like this lighting setup, you're going to learn how to do it. And always basically like you have at home, because right now my production lights are under my feet, and I don't want to get them, and also the batteries aren't charged, because the charger broke, so yeah. So now I'm just using natural lighting or lights I have around my home, like the lighting setup I'm going to show you today. So let's start the video. So these are the two subjects we're going to be working with lighting, because one is see-through, the other one is kind of like a reflective material. You know, let's add in one more. Let's add in this box. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing we have is right now, the lighting that we have right now is just that light right there. And if I just do that, you can see it's actually just a light that I put on some books. And I don't even know what this is. Oh, dang it. That makes me mad. Okay, but sorry. So we have that. Oh, dang it. This is a really small space, but we have that light right here. So you can tell we have this light. Sorry about that. We have this light right here, which is pointed downwards at our subject. But our subject is, if I show you like this, our subject is here in the light, but the light is kind of facing about that way. So there's things for the light to bounce off, like anything here could bounce off. But what else it's doing is some of the light is leaking and kind of coming onto here, because yeah. So that one is giving off this effect on this object, which is see-through. That effect on something that's like reflective, and then that effect kind of just adding light to here. And now if we move this and we turn it like this and we actually point it towards our subject, I can show you that we have that kind of looks like that. That. Now that looks like that. That looks like that. Now, what would it look like without light at all? So let's turn off the light. There we go. And now, with no light, just the natural light from the windows, we got that, and that. And these are pretty simple lighting setups. And if you want to get even better, where is that? You can get some kind of a reflector like this. This is actually just, you can buy actual ones, but this is just a DIY one I made. I'm all about the DIY because it's easy, it's low budget. Just do it myself. It's easy. Just get things around my house. I do it. Like this, I actually just have a piece of cards. Actually, it's two pieces of paper and a few pieces of paper that I kind of doubled to be like cardstock, and then I folded them, doubled them, cardstock. There we go. Got that. And now what we can do for this light, to add light to this, is I can turn on my light, and I can actually put it in like this direction and kind of make it that. It's kind of going there. And then I take this and I put it right here, and it bounces off. And see, it's actually on, off, on, off, on, off. And then on, off, It makes a little different, but in this kind of a situation, but there's already lots of light anyway. But it would help It would help way more in other situations. But yeah. So those are a few simple lighting setups that you can do with lights that are around your house, sitting right in front of you, next to you. I don't know where they are. Next to your bed. Yep. I don't know where they would be, but yeah. So yeah, this is another episode of Film School 101 from a kid. Should I change the name to Filmmaking 101 from a kid? I don't know. But yeah, that's this episode. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh wait, I forgot the last thing to do. How did I forget? How did I forget? Well, let's see who was the person that gave us the idea doing this episode. Let's check. Okay, let's.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay, it looks like Jupe Alski. I will put this in on Instagram to find it.
Well, I was actually on the phone
And
at around 7.
let's see who this person is. And I'll tell you guys to follow her because, of course, that's how the series works. When I get a DM saying, hey, you should do this episode, I show you guys. Jupe Plaska. Yeah. Follow her. Also follow me on Instagram, which is This is me on Instagram, so make sure to follow both of those people, including. And bye. I'm your host, Harley J. This is the end of another episode.